The controversy over abuses hurled at Prime Minister Narendra Modi at a Darbhanga rally that was organized by the opposition party, specifically the Congress party. Vote Adhikar rally has now become a political flashpoint between the BJP and Congress party, with Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju reacting on that today, saying that we are very democratic people, we speak very respectfully. But the language used by a few people in the opposition, Rahul Gandhi and a few MPs, have now stooped down to abusive language. So this is not the right thing for democracy. That's what Mr. Rijiju has said. He has also said that abusing the Prime Minister and his late mother is not good, even for the future. So the BJP and NDA never uses such language. That's what the Parliamentary Affairs Minister said. He also said that the BJP and NDA believe in the Constitution and democracy, and that they contest elections in a democratic manner. The opposition cannot win elections, but what purpose will abusing ECI serve? That's a question that he has asked, and he's also said that people do not vote for them just because of this reason. So Rahul Gandhi's anger is for the people of the country, which is not right. Strong words by Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju there while speaking today in Karnataka, and he has lashed out at the opposition for the abuses that were hurled at the Prime Minister in a Congress Vote Adhikar rally just a few days ago.
हम लोग तो बहुत डेमोक्रेटिक लोग हैं, हम लोग बहुत इज्जत के साथ बात करते हैं, लेकिन अपोजिशन के कुछ लोग जो भाषा यूज़ करते हैं, राहुल गांधी और कुछ एमपीस है जो आपने नाम लिया है, वो गाला गाली में उतर गया है। तो ये लोकतंत्र के लिए ठीक नहीं है। प्रधानमंत्री जी को गाली देना और प्रधानमंत्री जी का दिवंगत माता जी जो इस दुनिया में नहीं है, उनका बारे में कहना, ये मेरे ख्याल से ये भविष्य के लिए भी ठीक नहीं है। चुनाव नहीं जीत पाता है तो फिर चुनाव आयोग को गाली देने से क्या होगा?